Hello everyone! We will continue today our journey through the beautiful city of Warsaw, Poland's capital city. I hope you enjoyed the previous two episodes, and if not yet, I hope you can take some time to see what we've already recommended in the other episodes. Today, we started with a tour of the impressive Warsaw Uprising Monument near Warsaw Old Town. Often considered the most important monument in post-war Warsaw, and for good reason, the bronze monument was unveiled in 1989 and has been attracting visitors from all over the world ever since. If you visit during the winter time, you may miss some of the activities that may take place around the shores of the Vistula River, like a boat tour. The Vistula is the longest river in Poland and the ninth longest in Europe, at 1,047 kilometers inland. But there is still an advantage to take, like spending more time indoors, tasting various cuisines, or enjoying the shopping sales. Many former factories are turned into shopping malls with generous food courts, serving the most diverse cuisines in the world, from Georgian to Vietnamese food. The prices are affordable and the food tasty. If you are warmly dressed, you can spend a lot of time during the night exploring Christmas markets, and the winter decorations are beautiful. You can find original gifts or take some selfies with colorful attractions. The traditional Christmas market stretches along the defensive walls of the old town. The street musician offering a diverse repertoire from local Christmas carols to classical music add more magic to the ambience. We hope you enjoy our journey through Warsaw. Don't forget to watch the other episodes as well and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventure. Hope to see you soon!